Hi, it's Brian Newman with the 101 Referral Network, wanting to let you know about our members and guests tonight on our Zoom meeting. We want you to meet them. We want you to get to know them and call them. Judy, if you want to go first, tell us who you are, what you do, and how can they get in touch with you. Wait, you're muted.
Can you hear me
Okay.
now? Sorry,
Yeah.
guys. My name is Judith Weber. I'm with Zaya Activewear. I have my own business called Judith's Activewear, women's, men's, and children's clothing from your toughest workouts to your everyday lifestyle activities. I've got you covered. You can contact me at 262-909-3700 or in fact do that and I can give you more information on how you can get all your favorites for 50% off and free or a lifetime discount of 25% off. Judith Weber with Zaya Activewear.
Oh, thanks, Judy. Great to see you. Yeah, Carrie, can you go next? Hi.
Hi, I'm Carrie Smalley, nurse practitioner and owner of Stellar Care Clinic. So I own a telehealth wellness clinic that can serve all of Arizona. So whether you're looking for medically supervised weight loss, hormone replacement therapy, men's health, anti-aging therapies, or nutrition and health coaching, I can help. You can call 928-267-3532 or visit stellarcareclinic.com and you can schedule your free consultation. I'll be happy to help you.
Oh, great. Thanks for being here. Rebecca, hi, welcome.
Hi, thanks for having me. I am Rebecca Herbertson. I am your free financial advisor. I can sit with you and help you put together your plan for 2025 to reach your goals. We can even look over a current plan that you have. And so that can be anything from saving money on your current insurance with your home or your renters, or maybe even your auto insurance. And that can also be from putting together your own debt stacking plan. You can contact me at 623-850-9361, and I'd be more than happy to help.
Well, thank you. Thank you, Rebecca. Yeah, so Alan Cline, do you want to go next?
Sure. My name is Alan Cline with Creative Drone Photography. You can reach me at 480-329-1268. We're now doing FPV one takes. Call for our special deal. It's 480-329-1268. Thank you.
Thanks, Alan. Yeah, it's good to see you. Yeah, Brendan, could you go next? How are you?
Sure, doing fine. Brendan Layden. I'm the owner operator of Layden Bookkeeping LLC. I can help you make sure that your financials are accurate and complete and ready for tax filing for 2024. So you can focus on your business operations and the things that are important in your life. Um, I'd love to chat to see how I can be a trusted business partner. You can phone 307-855-1870 or my email Brendan, Brendan, at LaydenBookkeeping.com. And I have a presence on Facebook as well under Layden Bookkeeping LLC.
Oh, thanks, Brendan. Good to
Thank
see
you.
you. Yeah, Jason, hi, if you could go next.
Yeah, thanks, Brian. My name's Jason Flagg. My wife and I own Duke's Canine Lodge. We're in Glendale, near 59th and Thunderbird. And we provide dog boarding and daycare in a home away from home setting. We have several other services available. You can check out our website at www.dukescanine, that's the letter K, the number 9, lodge.com. Or you can find us on Facebook at Duke's Canine Lodge LLC. Or you can get direct contact with us at 480 999-8229. But yeah, we look forward to meeting your pups. Thank you, Brian.
Thank you. Thank you, Jason. Yeah, Alan, hi, can you go next?
Sure. My name is Alan Salt. I'm with Comparian Insurance. It's a Liberty Mutual company. We're like their brokerage division. We've got over 20 different carriers to choose from, whether you're reviewing your auto insurance, your home insurance, your life insurance. We want to be your trusted advisor. I live in the Peoria area, but we service the whole state of Arizona. And you can reach me at 623-694-2097. Thank you.
Oh, thanks. Thanks for being here. Clee, if you want to go next, thank you.
Hi, Hi, everybody. It's Cleve from Ohio. I'm with APL Go. Instead of, in the morning, you swallow a nasty pill as quick as you can with your cup of coffee. Why not get your nutrition that tastes like candy? And it comes in 19 different flavors and different uh, ways to enhance your nutrition. Um, and they're 30 in a box. They're absolutely 100% natural. And so I can send you all the list of ingredients, but I'm also happy to send you some really tasty samples. So please reach out to me. We have like a 500-page book that's tells all about each of the products and what's in them, as well as if you send me a request, I can get you onto the Facebook testimonial page, and you can see actual results from real people, either by video or their text, about each of the different products. So please reach out to me. I'll put my information in the chat. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thanks, Clee. Yeah, so I think we got everyone. So again, if you're viewing this, yeah, reach out to our members and our guests. And if you want more information about what we do at the 101 Referral Network, give me a call, 602-463-7812, or go to my website, 101referralnetwork.com. Thanks for tuning in.